And there are 6 steps to get certified as an InterNACHI certified home inspector, a certified professional inspector, CPI. And there's a difference between getting certified and having a license. And you should get certified by InterNACHI, even if you're required to be licensed in your area by the government. Why? Well, there are 3 main reasons why you want to get certified, no matter where you are located. Even if the state or province or country is regulating home inspectors and you have to get a license, you should get certified by InterNACHI. Because the certification designation, Certified Professional Inspector, CPI, is a federally registered certification mark. 2, potential clients are Google searching right now for inspectors who are professional and certified. Those 3 words, searching for inspectors who are professional and certified. That's why we got the mark, Certified Professional Inspector. And InterNACHI provides free inspection job leads to only CPIs. So you should get certified. 3, the marketing team, InterNACHI's marketing team. Remember on the contact page, all the resources of staff? Well, there's 7 highly talented professional consultants and marketing illustrators and designers who work for you, and they only work for home inspectors. It would be impossible for you to hire 7 people to work on your marketing. But InterNACHI, you take full advantage. You get a huge return on your investment as a member. And you get an entire marketing team to work for you, but you have to be certified. It almost doesn't matter that you have a license. A license in your state only means you've met the absolute legal minimum to conduct an inspection. That's a really low bar. And once you have a license, that also means that you're just the same as everybody else. There's nothing distinguishing you from anyone else because you hold a license. But when you're certified by InterNACHI, then you take advantage of these additional reasons to be certified because it's a certification mark. People are looking for CPIs in your area. InterNACHI provides free inspection job leads to CPIs, and you get to work with your marketing team on your marketing. And we have more than 60 additional inspector certifications at nachi.org/certifications. And diversifying your inspection services is the key to success. InterNACHI provides more than 60 different types of inspector certifications to its membership for free. So get certified in ancillary or additional types of inspections by visiting nachi.org/certifications. And I'll take you there and show you what that kind of looks like. So you get to see all these logos. These are certification programs. Most recent one is rental ready. There's a trend going on in the inspection business where local governments, townships, cities, states are requiring that every property that's being used as a rental property, they should be inspected before the next renter comes in. And so we have InterNACHI certified rental ready. You can get code certified through this program. You can get certified by InterNACHI through this program, and you can use this rental ready logo to show your credibility and your qualifications to inspect those types of properties that are being rented and show that you are qualified to participate in the local program. Step 1, join InterNACHI. Step 2, training and experience and some tools. Step 3, get certified. Step 4, pricing, right? Great. You're a member of a big organization. You got trained, you're experienced, you got some tools, you're certified, you're working with your marketing team, but wait, what pricing? If you don't know how much to charge for your inspection service, you're not going to be in business very long. So you have to calculate your profitable inspection fees. And we have that resource for you.